Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at 2020 paper 1 question 6 from the multiple choice and the QCAA syllabus. So as you'll notice, I've actually split all the questions up into short form videos, so every question is pretty much done on its own video. We still have the full video up on YouTube, don't worry, so if you need the entire exam, check the link in the description below, it should be there. But I thought I could repurpose and do each question individually. That way, if someone only struggles with one particular question or a couple, they can just go to those exact videos rather than scrolling through the whole video. So that's why I'm pretty much making these videos here, okay? If you need any practice external exams, I've built a custom one for math methods that's in the description below. If you want to check that out as an extra bonus, that's fine as well, but check that out. And then pretty much let's just get straight into this video here. So if you have any questions at all, leave something in the comments and I'll try my best to answer it. Alright, question 6. If the probability of success in a Bernoulli trial is 0.3, the variance is. Okay, so this question, a lot of people get this wrong because they have no idea what a Bernoulli trial is. Now, it's a binomial. It's a special type of binomial, okay? A binomial trial is a Bernoulli trial. Well, a Bernoulli trial is a binomial with only one trial, okay? So here on the formula sheet, you're given these two formulas, NP for the average, and the variance you're given, actually I'll just write it over here because that's going to run out of room, NP 1 minus P, where P is the probability of success and N is your number of trials. Now for Bernoulli, there's only one trial, so these formulas actually simplify even further, because if you chuck in N equals 1 in both of them, then it's really just P, and then for variance it's just probability times by 1 minus the probability. So here, we know N is actually 1, and here they've told us the probability of success is 0.3, so probability is 0.3. So here, because they're after variance, we actually don't need that formula at all, but I put that there just in case. You just chuck in N equals 1 into here, so you get 1 times by probability, which is 0.3, and then times by 1 minus 0.3. Now remember, this question is done without a calculator, okay? So effectively we're working out, so 0.3 times by 0.7, because 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7. A quick trick you can do here with decimals, when you're multiplying them, don't worry about the decimals, just look at the numbers. So first of all, we have to think, what is 3 times by 7? 3 times by 7 is 21. Then we look at the decimal places. We have 1, 2. So we have to move this guy, 1, 2, that many decimal places. So the answer is 0.21, which is option D. Pretty easy question, but a lot of people miss it because they don't know what a Bernoulli is. If you're not sure what that is, it's just a binomial with one trial. If you got this one wrong, practice binomial expansions. If you need another practice exam, check the link in the description. If you need the full exam, also check the link in the description. But otherwise, I'll see you for question 7.